Now, with its relaunch in Kingston on Thursday, all seems set for the return of the National Basketball League this weekend after a 5-year absence. However, the Jamaica Basketball Association has had to allay fears that the league could collapse midway due to funding problems. The return of the National Basketball League will cost the Jamaica Basketball Association approximately $10 million to stage. And while there is a buzz surrounding its return for the first time since February 2013, there is still a $4 million shortfall to cover expenses related to prize monies, venues, and promotions. But Interim JABA President Calvin Martin says they are determined to ensure the return of the league is not curtailed midway due to funding problems.
We can't spend time worrying. We know it will have to happen if it means that we may have to put our house and mortgage our homes, but the NBL has to be revived, and it has to be it will be completed, and it will, and we just want to a little bit of assistance to make it a bit easier for us.
Among those who have come forward to support the return of the league is the Sports Development Foundation.
The board has made one commitment already. I can state that publicly, that we are providing for the officials to the extent of approximately $1.5 million. And the board is also examining the possibility of further interventions.
Meanwhile, the league will have 23 teams in total, featuring the southern, central, eastern, and western regions. This is almost a 100% increase from the usual 12 from previous years. So, will the large number of teams negatively impact the quality of the competition?
The compression of the league has caused an improvement in the quality. So you will have a greater talent concentration, especially when we look at running Rebels. We see Kimani Friend, ex-NBA players. We see Javan Bailey, who was moved from the Spartans. And it is across the various teams that the talent is more concentrated.
Teams have recruited outstanding high school players to play alongside their experienced and veteran players. Among them is Jamaica College's 17-year-old point guard Pierce McKenzie, who will be playing for the Urban Knights.
I think it's a great opportunity. I mean, it's allowing me to develop my game and carry it to new heights. So I'm happy that I'm going to participate in this league.
Former NBA player and national captain Kimani Friend, who is still looking to ply his trade in Europe, will be playing part of the season with Running Rebels. He's hoping to inspire other former and still active national players to return and assist the league.
We have a lot of Jamaicans, former professionals and still professionals who are maybe not working right now, who are maybe here in Jamaica or coming back to here in Jamaica. And if my inclusion in the NBL can help motivate those guys to come and play, it will raise the quality of the league and make it more attractive.
The league will tip off on Saturday at the National Arena with a doubleheader starting at 6 p.m.